My name is Therese Rodriguez. I've been the CEO of Apicha since 1997, when it was still an aid service organization, and continue to provide leadership to this time. So I have been, seeing to I have been shepherding the growth of Apicha, and I'm very, very proud of what we have accomplished for the community. Okay, Apicha started in 1989, providing services to Asian and Pacific Islanders living with HIV/AIDS. But as their needs grew larger, we also brought in not only we brought in primary care to take care of their, overall health needs. We also brought in the partners who were at high risk for HIV/AIDS. And as we expanded the services to other than APIs, we sought the way to sustain the services that grew was to become a federally qualified health center. As a federally qualified health center, we were designated in 2015, and as such, we're able to provide a number of care for the community. Now, not only being able to provide attention to the needs of people living with HIV/AIDS, but to a larger member of the community, the larger family household, the women who need OBGYN, the children who need attention for dental and pediatrics, as well as being able to have be resourced with mental health. So many of our young children are having many problems in school and in family, and it's very important that we not only take care of the medical issues, but as well as their emotional, as well as behavioral issues. So we are also going out in the street, not waiting for people to come here. Our educational work is designed so that people do not go and use the emergency rooms when they're sick. We want to keep people in our care for as healthy as possible before they end up in the emergency room and in the hospitals. And we take care of people from cradle to grave. We take care of people regardless of their ability to pay, regardless of whether they have insurance or not. And we take care of a lot of pay attention to the needs of the immigrants who are trying new people who are trying to adjust in this country and stabilize. And healthcare is going to be a very important part of their ability to take care of their families, not only here, but also in their homeland. So this is what Apicha is all about in a nutshell.
The service is free?
Yes, we have a sliding scale, depending on your, ability to pay. But if you come through our door and you don't have the means, we will take care of you first. We're not, we're not going to ask, whether you have money in your wallet. We're going to ask you if you need help, and that's what we provide.
If the people need more about the Apicha,
well, we do have people who go out in the community. They're community health workers. They educate, the community. One of the things they do is like what they do downstairs, which is to hold health fairs. Then we also have people who develop materials in order to be able to distribute in many languages, not just in English, but in Spanish, but also in several Asian languages like Mandarin, Chinese, but also in the traditional way that people understand the languages. We have also developed some, South Asian languages like Bangladeshi, as well as, Urdu and Hindi. So it's a way for us. We need the newspapers to talk about the need for health and how they can get it from organizations like APICHA. There are many of us community health centers in New York, so we're not the only ones. Community health centers, federally qualified health centers, have 500 sites in New York City, and we take care of over 1 million people. And we are going to be ready for people who might lose their Medicaid, people who might lose their, the ability of their children to be taken care of early because of the loss of the chips. We're also taking care that if they lose access to food like SNAP and other services like how they can find a roof over their head, we are able to take care of them, not to provide the housing, but to find them a place where they can sleep and be able to have a decent place to sleep for the night. So there are many things that we also have relationships with other community organizations who help take care of folks, and we also see to it that if we are not able, especially if they need to be referred to hospitals, we also have arrangements to bring them to hospitals, and specialists who can take care of their other needs that we cannot provide ourselves.
No anteojo. No eyeglasses.
Hola, buenas tardes. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Jerome Valoria. I am the Executive Assistant to our Chief Operations Officer here at APICHA Community Health Center, and I've been working here for almost 7 to 8 years. Hola, buenas tardes. Me llamo Jerome Valoria. Trabajo aquí en APICHA Community Health Center. Me pregunta, ¿qué es APICHA? APICHA es un centro de salud público para todos. ¿Ok? Tenemos servicios medicales para adultos, los niños, dental, terapia para su salud mental, y tenemos servicios medicales para las mujeres en OBGYN, y tenemos servicios soportivos para su casa, para enrollment de medical seguro, y entonces asistencia, ayuda de SNAP. Okay. Si tienen más preguntas para APICHA, les invitamos a nuestro sitio en la red apicha.org, apicha.org, o en Instagram y Facebook. Nos vemos. En ese lado de la clínica de APICHA, 40% de las 60% de nuestras pacientes, 8,000 pacientes, 40% no tienen cobertura medical. Pero no nos importa. Ven acá a nuestra clínica. We will take care of you.